International finance refers to the study and management of financial transactions that take place across national borders. It deals with the flow of money between countries and focuses on investments, trade, and capital movements on a global scale. International finance is about managing or exchanging of currency between two countries to carry out their business transactions. An Indian company borrowing funds in dollars from a US bank to set up operations in Europe. Suppose if a company from India wants to invest in the US, they need to understand currency rates and rules to make it work smoothly. This is what international finance helps with. Nature of international finance. Dynamic and complex, it deals with multiple currencies, economies, and regulations, making it inherently more complex than domestic finance. Involves exchange risk, currency values fluctuate, affecting the cost of imports and exports. Example, a weaker rupee increases the cost of crude oil imports for India. Global linkages, financial decisions in one country can affect others. Example, a US Federal Reserve interest rate hike can impact emerging markets like India or Brazil. Regulatory framework, each country has its laws and agreements, impacting global transactions. Scope of international finance. Exchange rate mechanism, understanding and predicting fluctuations in currency exchange rates. International trade and capital flow, supporting global trade by financing exports, imports and managing investments like FDI and FPI, foreign portfolio investment. Risk management, hedging risks like currency fluctuations and geopolitical uncertainties. Example, using forward contracts to lock in exchange rates for future transactions. Global financial markets, study of stock exchanges, bond markets, and derivatives on a worldwide scale. Multinational corporations, MNCs, financial planning for MNCs that operate in multiple countries. Importance of international finance. Supports global trade, enables countries to exchange goods and services, promoting economic growth. Example, India imports oil and exports software services. Encourages investments, facilitates inflow and outflow of capital, boosting development. Example, Japanese investments in India's automobile sector. Promotes stability by managing risks like inflation, currency crisis, or economic downturns. Example, IMF providing loans to stabilize struggling economies. Improves resource allocation, ensures funds flow to the most productive sectors globally. Example, a US firm investing in Africa's renewable energy projects. Boosts employment and innovation. Investments lead to job creation and technological advancements. Example, foreign tech firms establishing research centers in India. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more knowledgeable videos.